Mhm. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about present continuous WH or information questions. Okay, in my last video I showed you how to form the yes/no questions, right? Am I teaching? Yes, I am. Are you teaching? No, you are not. So those are yes/no questions. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Today we have the WH questions. All right, we have the WH words, or we also call them information words. What, where, when, why, how many or how much, and then who. Okay, those are all the information questions. And let's go over some of those answers that we need. Okay, this document you will also have in Canvas. I will share the document with you, but let's go over it together now. Okay, remember guys, what asks about a thing? For example, our present continuous question is, what are you holding? A pencil. We have a noun here. Where asks about a place. Okay, where are you studying? In the dining room, in the office, for example. When asks about a time. When are you going? Soon. When are you going? At 5 o'clock. Okay, we need a time there. Or a day too. When are you going? I'm going on Saturday. So some kind of a time or a day is fine. Why asks for a reason. Okay, you're thinking about because, right? Why are you crying? My toy broke. Who asks about a person? For example, who is sitting next to you? No one is. Or who is sitting next to you? John is. Okay, and then we have how many and also how much. How many asks about a number. Okay, how many assignments are you doing? Two or two assignments. And notice here we need a plural noun here. How many assignments are you doing? Two assignments. Now with how much, for example, money. Money is an uncountable noun, guys. So time is also uncountable. I cannot say one time, two times, three times, four times, or one monies, two monies, three monies. We call those uncountable nouns. So we use how much with an uncountable noun. How much money are you paying? $4. How much time do you have? 5 minutes. Okay, so these are all also numbers, but how much, we need an uncountable noun. How many is countable? How many assignments? 2. How many, whatever, elephants? 3. I can count. 1, 2, 3. So countable noun. Okay. Let's go back to our book here. So let's go over the pronunciation of the actual sentence, the questions. What am I eating? A sandwich. Where are you eating? In the kitchen. When are you eating? Tomorrow. Why are you eating? Because I'm hungry, or just I'm hungry. How many eggs is he eating? He's eating 2 eggs, or for a short answer, 2 eggs. Okay, let's go ahead. I want to show you, if I can get to the page here. At the back of your book, you guys, there's a really nice chart on page 247. I think I told you about this already. This one here is all about present continuous. So there we have some more nice examples. Okay, so here's the yes, no questions with the short answers. Then here we have the WH questions with the short answers. And again, be careful of spelling, okay? So you will need to be careful. Remember, if we have wake, W-A-K-E, we take off the E, W-A-K-I-N-G. I am waking up now. Okay, so that spelling is very important, and that spelling, I believe, is on page 252. There's a very nice chart for spelling that you should go over as well, because that's important. All right, thank you very much, you guys. Good luck.